In this video, we're gonna learn how you can install the direct Umingle video chat app on Android. It just directly leads you to video chat without any delay. Launch your browser firstly, and firstly you're gonna go to umingle.com. Tap on video option. Once you're here, tap on three dots here at the top right side, and we're gonna enable the desktop side. It will make your video a little bit big. Now what you're gonna do is tap on three dots once again. Scroll down, find the add to home screen option, tap here, and add this shortcut add and add. Once you do this, if you go back to home screen, you'll get this shortcut or app on the home screen. You can launch this directly. This will directly bring you the video chat screen without any delay. And with just one click here, tap on start. And the best part is that you can just turn on the landscape mode to get a broader view. Put your phone in landscape mode, and thus we're here. You can start the video chat now. So that's how you can install the direct Umingle video chat app just like this here, which will be on your home screen. You can launch it anytime. If you like this video, then just give a thumbs up and make sure that you're subscribed to this channel.